Most personal budgeting attempts fail because manual data entry is exhausting. Saving receipts and logging them row by row at the end of the week is a quick way to burn out. Even modern finance apps create habit friction. They demand that you actively open the app, navigate through multiple menus, and punch in numbers manually. When a habit requires that much friction, you eventually stop doing it. We are going to replace that friction with an AI agent that understands natural language. Instead of filling out forms, you just send a casual text message, and the system organizes the data for you. You can see the required architecture in this diagram. You need 3 core pieces: a messaging interface to send the texts, an AI processor to interpret them, and a structural database to store the organized numbers. We can build this entire stack using free tools. We'll use Telegram for the messaging interface, OpenAI for the processing brain, Make.com to connect them, and Notion as our database. Texting a casual note to a friend is already a daily reflex. When you replace rigid spreadsheet columns with simple text messages, tracking your money stops being a chore and becomes a sustainable, seamless habit. Step 1 is building the storage foundation. Open Notion and create a completely blank database table. Set up exactly 4 column headers in this table: name, amount, category, and date. Pay close attention to your amount property. Click the property type and select the number format. If stored as text, the AI can't run mathematical sorting. Defining this as a number is mandatory, so your database automatically calculates total expenses. With the database ready, let's build the user interface. Open Telegram and search for BotFather, which is the official tool for creating custom bots. In the chat, type the command /newbot. Follow the prompts to give your new digital identity a custom name and username. Once you finish those prompts, BotFather will generate an HTTP API token. It looks like a long string of random characters. Copy this token immediately. This API token acts as a secure digital passport. It securely bridges your private chat application with the broader internet, allowing external tools to read the messages you send. To route data between Telegram and Notion, we will use Make.com. Think of Make as the central nervous system of your setup. Inside Make, you will create a new scenario. We are going to string together 3 distinct modules. Add the first module and select Telegram. Choose the option to Watch Updates for incoming messages, and paste in the API token you copied from BotFather. Next, add the second module, OpenAI. This acts as the translation layer of our system. In the OpenAI prompt settings, instruct the AI to read the incoming text from Telegram and extract 3 items: the merchant, the amount, and the category. Look at this diagram. You must instruct the AI to output this extracted information in JSON format. JSON is a structured language that takes messy text and forces it into neat, isolated data boxes so other applications can process it. Now add the third and final module, Notion. Select the action to Create a database item. Inside the Notion module, drag the variables from the OpenAI JSON output directly into the blank fields in your database. Map the merchant to the name field, the amount to amount, and so on. Finally, click the Run Once button at the bottom of the screen. This tests the connections to verify the data flows properly. This central automation script completely removes human processing errors. You send an unstructured thought, and the script instantly translates it into a formatted financial record. Let's test the live execution. Open your new Telegram bot on your phone and send a casual message, like, "Spent $12 on lunch at Chipotle." Unseen in the background, your Make.com scenario detects the new message, triggers OpenAI to parse the text into JSON, and routes the isolated variables directly to Notion. As this animation shows, the result is instantaneous. You send a text on the left, and a perfectly categorized expense appears in the Notion dashboard on the right. Once this core loop is active, you can scale its utility. By slightly modifying your OpenAI prompt, you can train the bot to track alternative data inputs, like sorting your freelance income streams or logging investment deposits. Inside Notion, you can build visual data charts on top of this database. This gives you high-level insights instantly during your end-of-month reviews. Tracking every dollar manually drains hours of your week. By shifting the data entry to an AI agent, you secure total financial awareness without sacrificing your time.